Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make an excellent summer drink that's none other than Panagam. Panagam is a traditional summer cooler of South India. We can make Panagam with easily available ingredients. Let's start. Here we are having 1 cup of Jaggery. It's almost 100 grams. To make 4 to 5 glasses of Panagam, 2 lemon is enough. Here we are having dry ginger powder. It contains cardamom and peppercorns. And a pinch of tamarind. In a mixing bowl, I am going to add 1 cup of Jaggery. Jaggery is rich in iron and it purifies our blood. Into this we can add a pinch of tamarind and half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Add 1 cup of water to dilute the Jaggery. Mix it well. If you lay this for 10 minutes, the Jaggery and the tamarind will be diluted. If you want to make this Panagam immediately, you can use your hand to dilute the Jaggery and the tamarind. Now we can squeeze 2 lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C. It helps for weight loss and it good for digestive health and it also prevent kidney stones. Give a nice mix. Now we can add enough water. If you want to drink chill, you can add ice cubes. Mix it well. Once the ice cubes are diluted, just drain the Panagam and serve in a glass. Now our traditional Panagam drink is ready to serve. It will give an excellent source of energy and it will cools our body immediately during this summer. You can also try this recipe at your home and send me your feedback. Now I am going to taste the Panagam. Super excellent taste. It's really very cooling. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.